My name is Travis Clack, and I am an MSc manager for Futurail. I've worked for Jensen for 7 years now, going on 8. It's very challenging, but it's a great place to work. You have new challenges every single day, but you get to work with a lot of great people, and you get to experience a lot of different cultures.
What aspect of your job do you find most enjoyable?
Really, the designing of the Futurail system, that's what I like the most about my job. Really taking a blank canvas and being able to design something that not only looks good on paper, but is functional out there in the field.
What do you think of the company culture?
The culture at Jensen is great. We have so many people from different backgrounds. It really is amazing. I've never worked at a company like this before, and that's just locally. I mean, I never would have thought in Panama City there would be this much diversity here, but it really is amazing. And then being able to be on conference calls with so many different cultures from all over the world. I love going to the conferences that we have, whether it's the Clean Show or Majorca, Spain with Jensen Performance Days. Those settings where you're put with so many different people from so many different backgrounds, it's just interesting to talk and to feel out how things are going all around the world. It's a good environment.
Can you define your experience here at Jensen in one word?
I would say my experience at this company is opportunity. There's always an opportunity to grow. There's always an opportunity to learn. If you want to branch out and learn new things, that's essentially something that anybody can do here. So being able to have the opportunity to learn new things and to grow, that's what's great about Jensen.